It's not so much the broken tire as it is the mosquitoes flying around. There are hundreds flying around me right now. That makes everything a little harder. Good morning, everybody. Mike from Cattleman Point Farm. 8:30 last night. Wife comes in. The tire came off the Sato, which is this little tractor. I'm like, great. And I didn't know if it was a flat. I didn't know what it was, so I had to come out here and look. It was the inner tube. I think the tires were just so like under-inflated, and she took the curve a little too hard and it just came off. So I don't hear any hissing, the inner tube, and it seems like it's holding air, so we'll see. I'm just one of them things right before you go to bed, and it's like, ugh. All right. Hey Luke, how do cows count? With a calculator. Calculator? Cows count? It's funny stuff. You don't even realize it yet. Schmoosey, what day does potatoes hate the most? Friday. Potatoes. Friday.
Get it?
Schmoose. Schmoosey, what do you get when you cross an owl and a goat? A hootenanny. Schmoose. Schmoose, where does the farmer send his kids to go to school? Kindergarten. Kindergarten? Never mind. Why did we roll over the field with the steamroller?
Make it flat.
Because we wanted to plant mashed potatoes. Hey Mama, what if soy milk is actually regular milk introducing itself in Spanish?
Introducing itself as what?
In Spanish. Soy milk. Soy milk. Yo soy milk. Do you guys want to pick some gourds? Just squeeze it out of.
What do you call a sick kid?
What?
A kiki!
What?
That worm.
Well, we need somebody to pardon her.
I pardon you.
Uh-huh.
I'm the queen.
We scared the under room.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wait. Yeah. So you leave that door open, and then you let the pigs go here through here?
Yeah.
I was like, in there.
We did this because if the electricity goes out, we put them in here, and we can keep them in.
Yeah. Yes.
And since we're out here all the time, they follow us. Look at those lazy pigs.
Yeah, I want to go in there, but I don't want to.
It's a cornucopia. So if you people are following my videos, you know these were volunteer plants. We didn't plant them. We had to knock them down because we're going to put a fence line up. The fence that was there wouldn't hold the cows, so we're going to put a real one in. I mean, this whole thing here is gorgeous. Oh, we didn't plant any of them. They're all cross-pollinated. I'm excited. Yeah, today's the next day. I don't have enough content to make a whole video. It was essentially just jokes, and I realized that I got to start filming when we start doing things. I think it would be a better video if I just let this roll and show you what we're doing, and then instead of just talking about it and showing you the end result. But yeah. Today, I think what we're gonna do, we're definitely gonna put up the fence here, or the fence, because there's nothing here, and there has to be a fence here. I have it over here. I gotta resync these T-posts, and we're gonna get some. Well, I got some like industrial staples, fence staples. Don't touch the fence there. We just hammer that in, so it should be all right. We might go down the road and check on the goats that we lent out. He said that the one has like little gnats flying around her, which is fine. Usually that's a skin problem. We'll just give them ivermectin. You know, that stuff. It's like a bug spray for animals. And since we're not going to eat those goats, it's okay. I mean, I wouldn't give that to a goat that we're going to eat, or an animal that we're going to eat because it's toxic. But they're not eating goats. They're just they eat the ground goats. So stay tuned. We'll see where the day takes us again. It's like a double, triple day almost in one video. Hey, look, you can see my phone and my eyeballs. Well, it's sprinkling a little, but it's gonna be humid AF today. Can't wait. See if I can pop this guy over here, because I'm gonna pop that post. Pop that post. Pop that post. Life is always better when you got the right tool. That ground is hard. We put a bunch of T-posts in at the other barn in the spring, and my record was 5 pounds to get the T-post in. That was a few to get that one in. The ground is really hard right now. That's alright. It's supposed to be humid today and hot, and I just wanted to get that out of the way. Uh-oh, someone's here. As we were putting it up, it was raining, so I didn't film. But yeah, got it up. 2 more T-posts. We gotta get some bedding, and they're gonna be happy to see me again at the store. So
We're back.
we're back. We go there at least, what, twice a week at least. Might as well get some layer feed while we're there, 'cause we're running low on that. Planning. Well, got rained out. Now we did get the fence up, and it's ready for the cows. All we have to do is fill the water containers. Too bad lumber's so expensive. I'd have to build an ark. It's been raining so much. Oh well. Have a good day. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.